everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, I'm trying to out this new gimbal I got, see what it does. There we go, that's pretty good. We got a problem, and it ain't all this freaking snow that I have around the place. I was trying to decide which barbecue I actually want to use for a cook tonight. Tonight I'm going to be doing lobster and shrimp, and I just don't know which barbecue to use. Not sure if I'm going to use any of those in there tonight. Who knows? It's supposed to be a nice sunny day today. Let's see if we can keep this thing spinning around all day long. Doesn't always seem to do that. Just lock. And you got these ones here, but I'm not going to use any of those. I think, more than likely, I'm going to be using this one. My little performer table there. If it does start raining or snowing, I may switch it up and use the gas assist. I don't think I'll use the Smoky Mountain. But, yep, I think that's the one I'm going to go with tonight. Okay, here's our grilled lobster tails and skewered shrimps with the special seasoning of It's Incredible all-purpose and Creole with a little bit of salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. This looks delicious. Let's give it a taste. It's a fancy dinner like this. I've upped my drinking game from the Rainier to Bud Light. Cheers, everybody. Clear that palate before we taste this wonderful lobster. Start with the lobster. Oh, wow. Definitely get a smoky flavor out of it. And with that Creole and It's Incredible, seasoned so deliciously. That is so good. Man, I'm going to try a shrimp real quick. Seasoned with the same stuff. Oh man, I gotta tell you, this is like dynamite. This is so good. I just can't wait. I mean, whew, this is good, flat out. I recommend you all try this. Anyhow, I'm going to tear this up, and I don't want you to see how much of a sloppy eater I am. So, as I always say, hope you enjoyed the video, and grill on. Cheers, everybody. Oh, man.